This is the VS Code hint, tips, and tricks of the week, coming soon to a CF cast near you.
Yep, and so last week we did one about MySQL using the Oracle DB, and everybody said, what about MyDB? So this week, this is for them.
We are looking at SQL Server Client and its SQL. The database client makes your life easy. It supports databases MySQL, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB, Redis, and ElasticSearch.
It's got a lot.
Here it is.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
Yep, so it's pretty cool. Like we talked about last week, Eric's like, I don't know why people have apps anymore when you can put everything in VS Code. So like it looks like a full app in here. The connect to the database setting looks really cool. You can do tables of data. It'll spit out all your data in here. You can see your table listing on the left-hand side. You can write queries. And so I don't think it has everything maybe that the other tool for Oracle MySQL has, but it has a lot of stuff. That's pretty cool. And a lot of configuration.
Oh, is that Oracle, what's it called? Oracle browser or something like that?
SQL, yeah, Oracle SQL, MySQL browser or something, but it was pretty cool. But it has caching database structures and stuff, so you can refresh your cache for the database. You can generate mock data too, so you can generate mock data for a table. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Ooh, I didn't know that. And then
this was definitely someone's passion project, wasn't it?
Yep. And so you can back up and import and export data and structures. There's a lot of things in this one. This actually might have a few more tools than the other one. So, do filtering and everything. There's some pretty cool stuff. But yeah, just build inside of VS Code. So all those the usual features you like the filtering is just built right into it. Pretty slick. So it's got amazing. A nice series of items here, but I'm gonna have to check that one out. I definitely like those, and the cool thing is that you could have another VS Code open on your other window if you want to use that. But again, when I'm usually on a laptop, that's what I think is is good, is that having it in the same editor. If you got I got full windows most of the time, 4 screens, then I can put it on another window. I'll have an app for it, but sometimes
that was one of the things that I really liked in this VS Code experiment that I'm doing. Basically, got to put command box in the terminal, and when you have an API server, but you have a couple different, let's say, front end like React or Vue or anything else, you're spinning those up separately. So instead of having 3 or 4 windows open, 2 for the JavaScript sites, 1 for the API, it's all nice contained. I can have 3 different terminal tabs basically in VS Code, and everything's nice and contained. It's very handy.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.